very sorry what? You spilled my drink? None of your business. Get out. This is cultural things. You were saying something about me being smelly on goal?
You know, I apologize. I thought that you were on goal because you're short and you smell bad.
Oh, short and I smell bad?
Yeah,
like what? Them?
Yeah, exactly like them, actually.
Oh, good. Thank you very much.
About us?
Okay.
Come on.
You know what?
What?
You know what is right?
Look out for my foot.
You know what? Fine. Okay, we do this. Other way. I don't want to kill you, but I want to teach you a lesson. Come here.
Gospodars!
Other gospodars. Get in
I've
there.
already put you on. I am actually
missing
the wrong
threads.
price. Yeah,
Why am I on their side? You know what? I like you better than them.
What are you doing? In the back?
What are you kids doing? Hell with this. I'm going the other way around. Get away from me.
What are you, uncle?
No, I will cash you.
It is cultural, please.
We are very cruel men.
I don't know who
That's what we are.
Don't get arrested. Don't get arrested.
That's it, you uncle! You'll get that fish! No! We're not worthy of that fish!
Huge mistake. My bad.
We're fine! It's fine! We're good!
Hey, what's going on?
It's okay, he just told me short and ugly like them. Goodbye!
Everyone, no bloodshed in town, please.
All right. Hey, and he has hood. He's very suspicious. Please.